free physics MP3 from cg4u.net for students. Source: Wikipedia. Antimatter in particle physics. Antimatter is material composed of antiparticles, which have the same mass as particles of ordinary matter but have opposite charge and quantum spin. Antiparticles bind with each other to form antimatter in the same way that normal particles bind to form normal matter. For example, a positron, the antiparticle of the electron, with symbol E+, and an antiproton symbol P, can form an antihydrogen atom. Furthermore, mixing matter and antimatter can lead to the annihilation of both, in the same way that mixing antiparticles and particles does, thus giving rise to high-energy photons, gamma rays, or other particle-antiparticle pairs. The end result of antimatter meeting matter is a release of energy proportional to the mass, as the mass-energy equivalence equation, E-mc2 shows. There is considerable speculation as to why the observable universe is apparently composed almost entirely of matter, as opposed to a mixture of matter and antimatter, whether there exist other places that are almost entirely composed of antimatter instead, and what sorts of technology might be possible if antimatter could be harnessed. At this time, the apparent asymmetry of matter and antimatter in the visible universe is one of the greatest unsolved problems in physics. The process by which this asymmetry between particles and antiparticles developed is called baryogenesis.